I'm Rosie. I'm a second year PhD student in the Medical Sciences division. I chose Oxford for my graduate studies for a number of different reasons, and I think it comes down to the science, the people and the environment. I mean, it's hard to think of somewhere better for science than Oxford. There's the facilities, there's just this environment of learning, and I've had nothing but support from my supervisors, from the people around me, from everyone I've met, and I've found that not necessarily unexpected or surprising, but reassuring that a place like this isn't all ivory towers and it's a supportive learning environment.
I'm Kapil Narayan. I'm doing a MSc in International Health and Tropical Medicine. There's a variety of courses at Oxford within the Medical Science division. The course that I'm in, we have a lot of lectures, but we have a lot of workshops, statistical analysis, policy development. Not every course is lab-based, and there's something, I think, for everyone.
I think one thing that sometimes puts people off considering Oxford is thinking that it's not a place for people like them. That's certainly how I felt when I first came here as a student 30 years ago. But something that I've definitely learned since then is that there are all kinds of people in Oxford from lots of different backgrounds, lots of different places. I've stayed in Oxford as a researcher because of the phenomenal people that work here. So you need to have that curiosity and that thirst for knowledge.
Oxford is a big name internationally. I was and I continue to be pleasantly surprised at how welcoming the environment is, how collaborative the environment is. Being able to work with people who are very supportive about my career, about my endeavours and about my studies. And there's access to brilliant training as well that's led by world-leading researchers.
It's really nice to have students who enjoy working as a team, working with their colleagues. How does the team work well? How do they bond? How do they have fun together? I'm often surprised by how independent-minded our students are. That's a good thing. It's a very self-directed process being a graduate student. So I'm always excited and sometimes surprised that students will come at a problem from a completely different direction. And that can work really well for them.